welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Robux Simulator, and I'm in the mood for a simulator in this video, so we are going to do a simulator. If you want more simulators, make sure to like. What do you want me to do next video? Comment down below what you want me to do next video, and I will catch you guys in the video. Peace. So guys, now I just was like getting a bit of Robux right now, and I realized now how to like play it. So first you gotta click to get a bit of Robux, and when you go ahead and find kind of those Robux in the ground, when you pick them up, I think you get more. Or what was that? Yeah, you get more. So that's part of the game, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, let's go ahead and now start like punching until we get our next evolution. Content deleted is our badge. What the heck? Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and continue. Oh my god, he wants to fight. Alright, come here. Let's fight, dude. Oh, he actually has a bigger level than me. He's running away. Come here, dude. You wanna fight? Oh, thought so. Run like a loser. I wanna fight, Mr. Okay. Here, don't fight. No, it's pain. Either way, like, thanks. Not that. I don't know. So guys, let's go ahead and keep doing this on IV and record. Alright, recording. Alright, we need to go ahead and go to level 200. Come on, level 200 we go. Let's go ahead and keep spamming, bro, keep spamming. Keep spamming. I'm gonna keep spamming. Now keep spamming, go spamming, keep. Stop that, I am recording. Wait, what? Stop that, I am recording, did that even make sense? Stop that, I am recording. Is he recording? Alright, good for you if you're recording, I don't even care. Good for you if you're recording. YouTuber Maboon. Alright, whatever. I know what's wrong with this guy. What's his name? YouTuber Maboon. How about Maboon Whitey? That's good. That's a better one. I don't know. It's his choice. Either way, you guys, this is what I keep. So, guys, do you want me to be like wearing this or my normal like the skin or the like? Don't want to be like that, like fat on Roblox. Do you want me to be fat on Roblox or like skinny in Roblox? Comment down below what you want me to do, like to be. And let's go ahead and keep grinding. And you know, guys, you actually grow bigger when you do this. I'm growing bigger, bro. I'm really growing bigger. Alright, come here, dude. You wanna fight? I wanna fight you so bad, bro. Come on, let's fight, dude. I'm fighting. No, he's running for dear life. Come here. Stop running. Dude, why is everyone running this game? Come on. Can we fight, please? You're actually even more level than me and you don't want to fight. Dude, are you so scared? What, you're gonna fight a noob who has one? Really? That's so laggy. Oh, there's a bee. How is he already there? Does he play this game usually? Right, kill him. I killed him. Die. No. Alright, now you better run. Not before. He wants to kill me. I beg. Wait, where are you? This is a bad moment. Why are you in good moments? Now it's a bad moment. Die. If I just have powers. Nuke everyone. Dun. Run! Help! Mr. Cuckoo! No! Cuckoo! Oh my god! What was that? Oh! Ticks! Dun! What is this? $11. The money! The honey! Oh, alright, it might. The money, the honey. Alright. Rebirth. On the rebirth. One day I have touching the Robux will give you the real 1,000 Robux in game. I'll save up for 1,000 Robux and rebirth, dude. Yeah. Yeah. You know, it's already like 5 minutes past, and I'm so like already big. And we can keep spamming and spamming and spamming and spamming. Keep spamming and spamming and spamming and spamming and spamming and spamming and spamming. It's part of the game. Just keep spamming and running to get the cash. That's all you gotta do in the game. All you gotta do. Alright, come here, dude. Wanna fight? You think you're tough? Yeah, he died. He just died! Don't worry. I didn't mean to bully you. Because I'm not even a bully. Oh, you rebirthed actually. That guy. Oh. Hello. Oh, your Team Slot merch. Come here. You better get the Team Zack merch. If I have a merch. Die. Oh, I want the Team Zack merch. Alright, copy my outfit, yo. Die. Oh my god. Oh, you almost died. Yeah, with fire. Better run away. Yeah, you better. Oh my god, he's not even getting damage. Yeah, no. Yeah. Oh, come here, mister. Come here, ice cube noob. Come here. Yeah. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god. Come here. You're running away from a literally. You got even lower than you. What's wrong with you? Yeah, he wants to fight me. I want to fight him. Fight. We're fighting. Holy cow. I'm so low. They want to, no, they both want to kill me. Classic. We're gonna keep running away. Juked. Gonna go in circles. They can't catch me. Give up. Juke. Keep juking him. Wait, is IB in the server? Yeah, he's still in. IB. I'm juking people. I'm juking people. No, oh my. Juju. King. Juking people. Oh, they're running. They're going away. Oh yeah, you better go away. We're gonna rebirth. I think we should rebirth, guys. Rebirth. Oh right. Keep punching. Comment down below if you want this game again. Because like when I end the video, I'm not gonna be playing. I may not play that much. Oh, IB, I'll go. Alright. Okay, okay. I'm gonna keep spamming. IB's left the game. So I'm gonna keep spamming. Come on, we need 100 more so we can remember. Because ticks. The ticks is right over there. Time to ta. Oh, I'm so many. Another ticks. Ta to ta. What are you doing? I said something by accident. Holy cow! No, I'm lagging. Yo, he's lagging the sex. No. I hate you. Die. Oh my god, he's killing me. How is he killing me? How? Guys, those noises in the background, they're nothing, like, they're just stuff. All those noises in the background, sorry guys, they're just stuff. Like, gonna kill you. Alright, you're dead. Come here, bro. Come here, let's fight. Oh, he's really finished. I don't want to chase you all day. I'm not chasing you all day, come on. So, rebirth. First rebirth, we just got our first rebirth. Oh, I keep punching and punching and punching and punching and punching and punching. Punching and punching and punching. Yeah, and punching. Keep punching, keep punching, keep punching. Well guys, I think that's gonna bring us to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Peace out. Goodbye. That's not how to end my video. I end my video like this. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, like, subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Peace.